Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution YouTube channel. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is compound interest aptitude test paper. Let us see the question. So here question is what is the compound interest on rupees 2500 for 2 years at rate of interest 4% per annum. So for this type of the question, first you see what is given in the question, and after that you will apply your formula. So here we are taking what is given, what is the compound interest. So compound interest we have to find, okay na? Compound interest we have to find. And now on rupee, that is it is given principal is given how much? 2500 rupees, okay? And for 2 years, that is time is given how much? 2 years. And rate of interest is given how much? 4%. So principal is given, time is given, rate is given, and we have to find compound interest. Okay. So what is the formula of compound interest? So compound interest, you can write amount minus principal. But here amount is also not given. First we have to find amount. So amount formula is what? P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T is what? Amount. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T is what? Amount. And this minus P, we can find our answer. But if we want shortcut, then we can't do here P and here P. So we take common. So when we take common here, this is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T minus 1. Now put the value. P is what? 2500. So this is 2500 into 1 plus R is what? 4. So this is what? 4 by 100 to the power T. T is what? 2. And this is minus 1. Okay, so if we solve this number, 4 1 ja 4, and this is what? 25. So this is 2500. Okay, and now this is what? 1 plus 1 by 25. So this is when we add this number, we will get 25 into 1. 25 plus 1, 26 by 25. Here a square. So 26 square is what? 676. And 25 square is what? 625 minus 1. So here 1. When we solve this number, we will get what? This is 2500 into 676 minus 625 and divided by 625. So again we will get 2500. 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 2 5. So this is 51 upon what? 625. Okay. Now you know we can cancel 25 square is what? 625. So 25 into 25 is what? 625. And 25 1 ja 25. Again 25 4 ja 100. So we get what? 4 into 51. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 are 20. So our correct answer is what? 204 is our right answer. Now see the question number 2. So the question number 2 is what? What is the amount for a sum of money rupees 7500 at 6% rate of compound interest for 2 years? So for this type of question, first to read question carefully and check what is given in the question. So in this question, what is the amount? So we have to find amount, that is A equal to what? For a sum of money rupees 7500, so money amount principal is given how much? Rupees 7500, and rate is given how much? 6%, and time is given how much? 2 years. So in this question, amount we have to find, and principal is given 7500 rupees, rate is given 6%, and time is given 2 years. So simple formula for the amount in compound interest is what? Amount equal to P into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power T. So if you learn this formula, you can solve this type of question very easily. So at first you learn this formula. So P into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power T. Okay. So here rate of interest is given 6% rate given. So direct put the value principal is given how much? That is 7500. So this is 7500 into rate is given 6%. So this is what? 6 by 100. And time is given how much? 2. Okay. Again to see 2 3 are 6 and 2 5 are 10. So this is what? 7500. And this is what? 53 upon 50. And this is 1. So if we take our LCM, this is 1 and 50. So you can do cross also, 50 plus 3. So 53 by 50. So this is what? 53 upon 50 whole square. Now this is 7500. Now we want a square of 53. So we have already told you what is the technique for finding a square of any number. So here 53. So we are using here master technique formula for squaring the 53. So what is technique? 3 is one digit and 5 is other digit. So technique is what? This 3 square is what? 9. Second step is what? To multiply first number into second. So 2 3 is 6. 6 into 5 30. So this is what? 0 and we have carry 3. 5 square 25 and 3 28. So this is 12. And 50 square you know well. 5 square 25 and 0, so put 2 0. So this is what? 2500. So this 2 0 cancel out. 25 3 is 75. Now our answer is what? 3 into 2809. 3 9 is 27. 2 carry. 3 8 is 24. 2 carry. 3 plus 6 to 8. 8427 is our right answer. So here A option is same, 8427. So this is our correct answer.